he's bleeding. You can't see his blood. It's nothing but some feelings that this old dog kicked up. It's been raining since you left me. Now I'm drowning in the flood. You see, I've always been a fighter, but without you, I give up. I can't sing a love song like the way it's meant to be. Well, I guess I'm not that good anymore, but baby, that's just me. Yeah, I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and a day. Pictures that you left behind, all just memories of a different life. Something made us laugh, something made us cry, one that made you have to say goodbye. When I get to run my fingers through your hair, touch your lips to hold you near. When you say your prayers, try to understand. I've made mistakes, I'm just a man. When he holds you close, when he pulls you near, when he says the words you've been needing to hear, I wish I was him, but those words are mine to say to you till the end of time. And I will love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and a day. If you told me to cry for you, I could. If you told me to die for you, I would. Take a look at my face. There's no price I won't pay. Just say this was to you. Well, there ain't no luck in these loaded dice. But baby, if you give me just one more try, we can pack up our old dreams and our old lives. We'll find a place where the sun still shines. Yeah, we'll love you, baby. Always, and I'll be there forever and a day. remember goodbye doesn't mean forever. Let me tell you goodbye doesn't mean we'll never be together again. Though we may be so far apart, you still will have my heart. So forget your past, my goodbye girl, 'cause now you're home at last. You're strong, I'm sure. You're in control, a lady with a plan. Believing that life is a neat little package you hold in my hand. You've got it together. They call you a girl who knows just what to say and do. Still you fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to me, just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire out of control, just another fool. I touch you when you're weak, you're a feather in the wind, and you can't wait to feel I'm touching you again. With me, you're just another woman in love. I pardon you if you should stare and tremble like a child. That wanting you look all over my face is driving you wild. You're just what I make you, can't wait till I take you and set all your feelings free. You know that I can, just to be your man. Tonight you want to be just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire out of control, just another fool. I touch you when you're weak, you're a feather in the wind, and you can't wait to feel I'm touching you again. With me, you're just another woman in love. Just another woman in love, a kid out of school, a fire out of control, just another fool. I touch you when you're weak, you're a feather in the wind, and you can't wait to feel I'm touching you again. With me, you're just another woman in love. Akin nabatian, ako imo ginagahinawan. Pareho ta nabatyagan, ang makaimaw kau akin kalipayan. Perdi ko madumduman, ang mayan tanga inagihan. Naat ang promisa mo, matuman kay nagahalat ako. Magahalat ako tutusan ko, magahalat ako sa pabalik mo. Kay ikaw ang gusto ko nga makaimaw, palanggang kahalungan gid ikaw. Sobra Ako nga kahidlaw, hakas mo ang makapaumpaw. Ang dughan nga nagapalangga, ikaw gid ang ginapangita. Kung mangin masinulubon, regya ako magtugro paglaon. Luha ginapaturo kang iba, pahiran ko islan kang kasadya. Magahalat ako tubtusan mo, magahalat ako sa pabalik mo.
darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell and echo.
Wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady was walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. Then the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I give her the car keys and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful